So, Jeff, you got your driver's license recently, right?
Yeah, I was pretty excited about that.
Are you planning to buy a new car?
Not yet. Maybe after this semester I'll start saving some cash.
It does cost a lot. Plus, you have to pay for gas, maintenance, and insurance when you own a car. Personally, I like taking public transportation.
So do I. Buses and trains are pretty convenient. But I would like to take a road trip someday. For now, I just use my mother's car on the weekends.
Well, good luck driving. Hope to see you around this semester.
Yeah, same here. Catch you later, Sarah.